Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side for chapter 2 for Tori for this side for Equinox Story House. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we go talk palava for accident wey happen for inside Douala here. One Okada man, he died for sake of that accident. We go talk this wakatu with new minister for inside public service, Oga Joseph Lay. He make am for school for magistracy and administration na Enam side that we will go talk that chapter. So for Tori for this afternoon, we go turn back for Loom for talk this palava them new park where they want make am for them. You get people the way they vex, you get other one the way they glad. Even Mayor Sesep, he go talk for inside this afternoon. All that Tori then so plus one the way newspaper them talk, we go bring them for now. Big part talk, it tell we say waiting. Say when you throw away kerosene on top grass where it don't finish dry, sabi say you dey make na big fire for cash. I say when you throw away kerosene on top grass where it don't finish dry, sabi say na big fire you the one cause am. I dey turn back small time. Yes, good afternoon. Asabiso na don shidon una plenty for here wetin wey dey happen for inside country. Chapter 1 for Tori for this afternoon. Palava for accident. Make we enter for there. We go take una go na for that side so wey they call and say waiting on the people them. This accident, it pass for place where they call and say na Ndohem. Yes, now for there they call the place. Now for there this accident it pass. Where some Okada man in way or na student where in name na Tinyem Clement Jacques, he be the turn back for school. Now for there way Okada way be she done on top. Whether na how he pass, the only jam and sote moto he carry this die body, he carry that pikin sote he push am for far away before people they can turn up. So he be then a plenty die. Police people then says they be there for see as well they feel help for commodity die body for that side. So for inside Dogem, according to Tori we enter for we EM, this man na person way he dey waiting, he dey use for D for inside Binet for charcoal. In only one, he died for that accident. After we he Okada, he make race, he fall with he. Other motor them, they can pass for a corner, finish with he. Make we turn back for the accident place. We hear as we the team pass.
C'est un joker, c'est un joker.
So chapter for accident for inside Douala here. Now just time for we for talk say oh man, he get for the lookout as well the drive inside in motor. So now so we take on a go for Yawende side. For Yawende, Oga new minister for Palava public service and administrative reform, he be there for that side for Enam. Joseph Lay, he be the turn for them na the first time since when they put it for chair like minister for administrative reform and inside Palava for waiting public service. As well land for the population and big people them for Enam, they talk for Oga Joseph Lay say waiting say chapter for problem where they get a plenty for inside Enam. They no get place in a computer center. Joseph Lay talk say la say that one it no fit happen for the kind of big school where they look out people the way they get for commot for can manage other people them. Number 2 problem be then I say waiting condition for work for teacher them for inside that school too e no dey fine. Now another problem too that way they put am for before oga minister for palava public service. He talk to say wetin he go see check his sense for check as wey dey fit make condition for work for these people dem wey dey train other people dem for can be administrator tomorrow say make dey dey for correct place and make dey sit down for place wey dey go dey work fine and wey no trouble e no go be on top their head. Now e no be talk on top palava for that quarrel letter wey dey be give am for big man for Enam. Sabi say chair wey Joseph na be sit down e no be dey na you wey be sit down for day before. The other person wey be sit down on top that chair wey dey call na Ange Anguin e be don give quarrel letter for big man for Enam. Joseph na e no talk anything on top that chapter. Na new governor wey e don can start am. So e first place wey the girl for go visit na this place wey e waka go so wey dey call am say school for magistracy and administration. Na for day wey we future DO dem all the kind people dem minister dem or na director dem na for day dey comot. So e be get for go check the condition for as wey the school e dey waka and e don check all thing. E don go back for a office. Na for we for take see we eye waiting wey e go do after that waka wey e make am for that school. For palava for culture country people dem 2018 festival for arts and culture wey dey call am say Festac wey e don be na tradition for that side. So for Limbe according to Ngomna delegate Andrew Mojimba Mutanga e don talk say wetin culture festival wey na Festac e go happen for number 7 day sotey e land for number 14 day for inside number 4 moon for 2018 for that side for Limbe. According to the thing wey dey talk inside that Dongame wey oga governor delegate for Limbe City Council e be meet up with tori people dem for Nakam. E talk say for this year for Sika say na number 160 day 160 time wey dey discover Victoria wey now so dey call am say Limbe sabi say Ngando for the year for Festac e go be different. Palava security too go be after we sabi say northwest and southwest trouble e dey make some kind of way for that side. E don talk say wetin oga governor delegate e talk say as wey na SDO sese oga Emmanuel Ledu e go be chairman for committee for security one time. He say they don already start check that one put am for inside their mind. Sabi say this palava for Festac na chapter for make different country people dem dey meet up. You come on na for Bafusam, you come on na for east, you come on na for who side. All dem dey meet up na for inside Limbe for palava for show as wey different country fashion dem dey fit meet up for inside one place and all kind of thing dem. So governor delegate e don talk say as wey dey go declare 160 anniversary for Victoria things and too they go change for inside that one. Combo na for they will go land now. New people them they also put them for chair small. Yes, for inside Combo. Now the new big man that for Kamamburu. They don't put it for chair. Official. And now got DO for that side for Bui Sese. Now he do that work for that side so for Combo their own Gando place. Inside the Ngando way pass they don't talk for new big man for Kamamburu. Say he sabi waiting way he get for do. Sabi say for that side thing they hot. Thing they be some kind of way. So he don't talk and he don't talk for the big man. Say make he shiny eye. Make he no distract one time and make he no make population the vex. Instead make it become the population. So that population they go give tori way he want for here. All that one they so now they talk them that way they talk for the new big man for Kamamburu people them way he go the lookout all Kamamburu people them inside Combo. Oga SDO don't finish talk. Now so na chapter for see whether this new big man he go do work where Oga SDO he don't talk for him. Big combi with population them. No vex with population them. Even population they vex you. So behave like man way they don't pass for inside Kamamburu side. You understand? So that you go be combi with them. They go to tell you to read them where you want here for do your work. Inside Douala here, number 12 day for inside this moon, it be make 2 years. Where this woman where they call and say Monique Kumateke, it be die. After we turn, we say make we go back for inside family compound for this woman. for check whether the promise the way come na be given for them. E be waka or e no be waka. Yes, make we go for that side for compound wey money kumateke e family people dem dey sidon for day. For talk inside this chapter say after the time wey e be that way they be promise family say they go. So today they never do no nothing for inside that chapter. We go try for check whether we go for that side so for money kumateke their compound for see wetin wey e dey pass for that side so for inside this chapter for tori for this afternoon. Maybe we'll jump for go for different sides. Make we take una go for another tori. We take una go for loom side for talk this chapter for their motor park country people them. As well be promised for morning time this afternoon we get for talk with all other people them. We go talk the chapter. Sabi say people then they wey they vex, other one the day wey they no vex, other they glad for the development way they come for loom for Palava Park. Make we enter for inside that chapter for loom motor park for talk this other one. Yes, for loom side they country people them. Una sabi say Karifusu Mangie, Karifu Tombe, na place away motor they can't turn up left people or carry people. And that one it cause plenty confusion for inside loom. Accident don't happen there plenty wey they don't die. So now so council it don't start for doing work. Kiate Giwambo when a mayor for that side himself he be there for outside for see as way they the Chakara house them where they don't turn up for the way they never use them. Where they the Chakara house the way they do it in where they never use them. And for inside that chapter con the people them Oga Mayor he give 48 hours or so other people them where their house they see they can't be say make they start prepare for comot for seeker say they will can't Chakara. The one they so where they the Chakara now one the way people they don't start build where they don't live for the land. Now land way normal they no be get for do no work for inside. But as where they truncates now so to the Chakara. So just now people them for loom side their heads it then say waiting. Other one they vex. Other one they glass development. Other one they talk say no na fine thing. So as well with the talk so loom it they divide. Two different people they dey. One the way they vex say they don't Chakara them. One the way they glass say boss place where motor they can't turn up day and make yourself he go talk. First person who will talk with them na some power way he say they don't broke their meeting place. Say meeting place na their power them. They give them for them. Make we hear that part talk.
Na say men don't come go we na me give we or they say we target host. Na host we meet. We will dey for inside like 100 people. We don't go we for all outside. We don't do no how you go live your own grow. Come for enter for we own grow. We born the day for corner. For we invest for them plumber because all we don't talk with you know like for give solution for that you don't come that so for just chamo in time with you down say go blow away us when we there's no we don't know where we go we will go. Must say if we give you one place how we will move with some pack for them give you one place we get we all hustle for them.
Yes, so na part that way it vex say they don't Chakara meeting house they no sabi place for go waiting other people them for loom they get for talk. Make we hear them.
I remember say we need guy rotate volume and I remember say me Mary and me with some guy rotate. So we got a problem because they were corner.
I'm a hostess of Abdullah. I don't make 21 years for year. I get 11 picking. Don't move himself already. Now only this small plant house don't remember where I get from Mufam. I no fit get problem with Mary. No fit. I like him. Now me say I go up and Mufam with happiness. Maybe say I remove him with a bad heart.
For our room they fine. At least if I'm even get park, at least a nice park and a good park to a park here because you could help even the travelers, you know, or she don't. For the wait until like agency them. Yeah, get it. Because some more people open up used to with good wrong now to highway. You want to come out go let passenger for the other side to go Bamenda or Douala. More no highway if you come out accidentally jam man or you went out wrongly.
Yes. Now people then that for loom, all man get his own way for talk. One day they the vex, one day they the glad. Waiting, mayor for that side for loom to get for talk for inside this chapter. Kwate Giwambo, Terry.
Say the play where we there for fish am so na for taga routine because we don't see say people don't start for national number 5 people the stationner motor for inside then they make canteen for inside or it make accident it make embouteillage see where we the make am na for development may already can't tie horse for there na for make say ville begin go for before no be that kind of thing where all the people the make am me I be mayor where time where the talk say I go do am I do am. No be na money no day for all the side they don't keep a money they don't already lancé market sauté entreprise where go time don't get the contract. Yes, we go start for the moon for population for them say make the wait time then go sit guy where we don't time. I only talk say
yes, so now mayor that for loom site Kiate Giwambo it be the talk for Jackie Nomulum where it the look at that site for we. Make we enter now so for we next story on a Sabise Oga Prime Minister Sesep it be there for inside Wala here for check as we work for feed them it dey happen Sabise Cameroon for 2019 it get for happen Mandambam and as we calf people they get for enter for number 19 day for this very moon. Oga Prime Minister, he be deserve for tonton for inside the different places. He go for field, he go for hospital for check all thing as well the thing they waka. The only vex way there for people that had now say Oga Prime Minister, he no left other private Tory people then too for follow it for back. He take now only one pan, only one Tory people then when a country Tory house where he be the tonton with Oga Prime Minister. Now he plenty people that they ask him, Oga Prime Minister, you dey hide something or na how? Big question when no man no sabi, but when we see fee for Douala, when the check say work for day, it don't start. But now which time they start? Calf people they say they get for enter for country. Number 19 day for inside this moon, they go turn for hospital. They go for check as we wrote a day and other places. So as well they talk, all people that they ask a question, waiting that they hide them, waiting, they no want and say make we see. As well Prime Minister, it be turn for see work where it happen for all the places inside Douala here. Sabise hospital and road, na way these people then for calf, when they come now, they go come for check whether Cameroon it don't prepare for 2019 or it never prepare. But something they will Oga Prime Minister maybe it no be see. For second say be there for inside motorway air conditioner day. Shock is see they can't pay. Na road and that. Cité de Palmier, Makepe. Now only one place I would don't call her. They hold the way they dey for that road. Now hold the way. If you carry woman for inside ambulance motorway dey with Ibele, he enter for that hole he must to born pikin. Yes, if you carry woman for inside ambulance motor where he dey with Ibele where one take and go hospital, forget. Even before general hospital, when Prime Minister enter road for this na different level, na disgrace. I say na disgrace. So now all the kind thing then so if Prime Minister no be see am, we say make we show am for you. For Sika say road for inside Douala here na craze. I say the road na craze. And even for before general hospital day, that one so it go be na BB shame. Now for this way if you carry woman say odo tibele, as well the enter so for that boom, you see woman go just start labor na labor just start born one time. So if Prime Minister no be see that one, we say make we show you so that you go call that people then for year. As well they come for number 19, they do and say for number 17, 18 overnight. They put that fake quota there on top so that they will cancel and say no road in the pass. You understand? Now to read and that's what we see for now for this afternoon for this site. Make we enter for one day we brother them for newspaper they talk this afternoon. The Guardian Post we go look for inside. Inside the Guardian Post we dey for outside. Na palava for open eye. Na they talk. They say bailiff. He don't summon Boya CPDM council of them for inside palava for senator campaign for inside meeting. Say open eye, proper open eye. We believe in the maker. So for inside the Guardian Post, you go read Tori way. They tell you say 2 of the ministers the way they give them by force pension. They don't talk for them say no way. They no fit come out for outside country. Whether na for corner aeroplane, corner motor, flying boat, they no one cash them. They get for she done for inside house. So for inside the guidance post, tori dey for Palava people them for Cam Water, yes, a company where they look at water. They say 5 work people them. I show the talk now, so they don't give them for by force in data. They don't send them for inside. They say they go sit down for this, so they rotten for Sika Palava thief where they thief money. Inside the guidance post, you go read tori wey United Nations don't talk. Say almost 20,000 people them. They don't enter for inside Nigeria. One day where they run this palava where they happen for Northwest and Southwest. Other tori the day where the guidance post a carrier. Newswatch now another tori that way we enter for inside. Atanganji, he don't hold e ear. He talk for who them, fund them for Northwest. Atanganji, he don't hold e ear. He talk for fund them for that side so for Northwest. Now for Sika waiting, say make them know the fight. That one a BB disgrace. Inside the same Newswatch, you go read tori wey a concern Constitutional Council. You go read tori wey a concern Army for United States, Donald Trump country, where they dey for inside country here. The Newswatch e get other strong number there. Now just for you for discover. Wait till Newswatch e carry am again. Apart from the one wey I don't talk am. Make we enter now so for inside Nouvelle Expression wey dey for outside. Yes. Nouvelle Expression too, e get e own tori for talk. Palava for vote for 2018 forget senator dem. UNDP. Now open eye this on top list wey CPD and people dem for Damarua they get am. And tori wey dey come underground and say wetin. E dey like say Congo side dey talk say e dey like say they don cancel list for CP for Palava senator for Adamawa. E dey like say that one na Congo side, but UNDP don already talk on top that chapter, don attack her. So for inside Nouvelle Expression, they tell we say Atanganakuna make the no job cash you for any corner aeroplane, corner motor offline boat. Now Lord that way they put am for you. Sabi say the job commoting like a minister. Inside Nouvelle Expression too, you go read tori where it consign Waka for Onga Prime Minister for inside Wala here. As well they deny press people then private press. Tori people then say they no Waka. Plus another commander way he don't sleep straight for that side from Nguti. We enter now so for the other newspaper for this afternoon con the people them make we take una enter for inside Le Messager where e dey for outside today con the people them. Le Messager where e dey for outside for this morning time, e get e own chapter for tori wey e talk this early morning time. Yes, Le Messager e get e own tori. E too e talk chapter for Atanganakuna wey e dey for inside big trouble. Atanganakuna e dey for inside big trouble according to wetin Le Messager talk am. Sabi say they don't talk other man say make e no try e comot for outside country. They need for do investigate on top of it. So for inside Le Messager, you go read tori wey e concern this palava for Lompanga. Una sabi say na place that they want make you some place where they will go to get power, will get light, you go to sell with light for different place. So they get chapter 2 for talk for on top palava for Lompanga day where is also there for inside Le Messager. Le Messager to the tell we as we empty and when a tiny company e dey talk say if Cameroon no look out, they no go do business again with Cameroon. Then too they go come up for outside. All that to read them, Le Messager carry am plus other one. Now only for you for go check them. If you never check them this sometime. Last one we will look for inside na emergence. Emergence wey dey for outside to today. E get its own chapter for talk. Emergence after the ballot thing wey happen from Konsamba. Emergence newspaper peoples they go enter for look inside this palava in the proper. People the way big people them where they did buy first chop soya for small pikin them. They get chapter for that one where they talk am for inside their newspaper for the morning time. Then so for inside emergence, palava vote for get new senator. Northwest and Southwest they talk say e dey like say that vote e no go surely happen. Emergence too e get tori for talk for palava Atanganakuna and even Ikombi where they talk say they no wan catch them. They take style so for comot for country. They no wan catch am. So now they tori than that. Now so newspaper they see country. Anyhow, if you don't top table the chop, now for tell you say make you chop your chop fine. Bon appetit. Ambassador go turn back for some time. Una hold am tight.